Don't download Salesforce CRM Analytics app before watching this. Before you download Salesforce CRM Analytics, here's what most teams overlook. It's more than just a reporting tool. At the enterprise level, Salesforce Analytics provides AI-driven insights, real-time dashboards, and predictive analytics, but many organizations fail by mismanaging setup. Step 1. Connect all relevant data sources. Analytics works best with integrated sales, marketing, and service data. Most people get this wrong by feeding incomplete or inconsistent data, which produces misleading reports. Step 2. Design dashboards strategically. Salesforce allows interactive, role-based dashboards. The surprising truth is, poorly structured dashboards overwhelm teams rather than providing clarity. Step 3. Leverage predictive insights. Einstein Analytics predicts trends and opportunities. Ignoring these predictions means missing potential revenue growth. Step 4. Train your team. Enterprise adoption depends on team understanding of dashboards, filtering, and reporting. Teams that skip training underutilize the platform. The upside: proper use of Salesforce CRM Analytics can increase data-driven decision-making by up to 40%, improve pipeline visibility, and boost team productivity. So, should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can manage data quality, dashboard design, predictive insights, and team training. For smaller teams, simpler analytics tools may suffice. Subscribe for honest insights to maximize your Salesforce investment.